Rudy Giuliani had a hearing this week for his bankruptcy proceedings, and during this hearing, he told the judge that Donald Trump owes him at least, probably right around somewhere of $2 million, because he never paid him any legal fees for all the work he did trying to overturn the results of the 2020 election. Giuliani, of course, is facing bankruptcy because he got that $148 million defamation verdict against him. He also has been unable to pay some of his lawyers, who, of course, have now had to sue him. And he still faces defamation lawsuits from Smartmatic and Dominion voting systems, as well as the criminal charges in the state of Georgia. So Rudy Giuliani's problems, including both legal and financial, are really just beginning. So he sought bankruptcy protection because he knows he's not going to be able to pay any of that. But maybe the situation wouldn't be so bad, he told the judge, if this guy over here, the one who actually got me in all of this trouble, literally none of these problems, with the exception of the harassment lawsuit that he's facing, none of the other problems, none of the legal problems, none of the financial problems for Rudy Giuliani would exist had he not taken on these election challenge cases for Donald Trump. I mean, the least Trump could do at this point is give him $2 million for it. I know that doesn't even begin to cover Giuliani's, expenses and all that, but all of these problems, the $148 million defamation verdict, that wouldn't have happened if Giuliani wasn't working for Trump. He wouldn't have gone out and attacked those Georgia election workers. That wouldn't have been a thing. He'd have $148 million that he doesn't owe right now. The defamation lawsuits from Dominion and Smartmatic wouldn't exist if he hadn't done the work for Trump. The criminal charges in Georgia wouldn't exist if he hadn't done the work for Trump. You see where I'm going with this? He did all of this for this guy, and this guy has the audacity to not even pay him for it? That is insane. That is the funniest thing I think I've ever heard in politics. Giuliani, you made this decision. You brought all of this hardship upon yourself because you thought somehow Trump was going to reward you. Not only did he not reward you, but he didn't even pay you. That's the bare minimum that you can do with your lawyer. And you didn't even get that. So I hope you remember every time you walk into that bankruptcy court, you're there because of Donald Trump. Every time you walk into a courtroom to defend yourself in a defamation trial or a criminal trial, remember, you're there because of Donald Trump, the man who won't even pay you. And I'm telling you this to remind you that there's a chance a plea deal in Georgia could be on the table for you. Could save you a lot of money in legal fees. Could possibly save you from going to prison. So just remember who caused all these problems and who is not paying you for them, because you have the chance to roll on that guy as hard as you want, but you're going to be a coward. You're not going to do it. You won't even sue him for the legal fees that he owes you. So enjoy the rest of your life. It's going to be pretty miserable, all because of Donald Trump. Well, folks, we have crossed that 1 million subscriber milestone, but rest assured, we are just getting started here at Ring of Fire. So if you're not already, please do subscribe to the channel and make sure to like, share, and comment on the videos.